are in Barcelona.
Today on the Manneh Twinzz.
Wet, 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 wet. Oh, baby.
Say hi, vlog. Where are you?
No.
To do what?
Swim.
To swim. He came here to swim. We are waiting on my dad to pick up the car, the rental car.
It's a lamb. It's a Bentley. Bentayga, got me. It's lamb. You know Bentleys, but the SUVs. They will show you.
No, it's a G-Wagon. What are you talking about?
It's a Bentley. What are you talking about?
Can I have Volkswagen?
Gang.
It's gonna be a Bentley or G-Wagon. Yeah, a black one or a white one. What do you prefer?
A pink one.
Bentley, G-Wagon, Mercedes.
Oh!
Ghana.
You know his stuff, yeah.
Listen, I'm the best football player in the world. You get me? I'll score every single game.
Hey, I'm wearing a bandana. Don't ask me why.
Listen, that's my Spanish skills. Listen.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi amor. Mi amor. That means I love you. Mi amor. That's
No, that means not.
my name is.
Huh?
My name is.
Mi amo means my
Mi
name.
amo. My name is.
Tengo
Años.
no.
12 años.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
They are
I
made-
mix French with Spanish, even though I don't know it to speak. This is my beautiful luggage. It's Spider-Man, you know. Like it's a team.
The best thing ever. The best thing ever.
Could you read, Ba? What does it say?
I like Jingo.
You like what?
Jingo.
Pringles? Ooh, what is that? Yeah, is that style? Like,
Remix.
oh, you're colorful. Like, what is that? Like, green and blue, green, red.
Welcome back. Okay, you can't see it because it's pretty dark out here, but we are out here. We are outside. Oh my God, we are in fucking Spain, man.
People are staring at us.
Where's
like
the car?
we're crazy.
And where is that? Du, stanna bre, vad gör du? Vadå vad? Han kommer inte, ja det är övergångsstället. Fucking gasa. A car almost hit him. Ran him over. These niggas so stupid. But we'll film more, we'll talk more when yeah. It's like 1 hour away. But peace and love, man. We just arrived to the hotel, or it's like a little apartment, like apartment hotel. Look at the view. It's pretty nice, yeah? Isn't the view nice? We finally find a place to eat, and now we are like near a hotel, like 10 minutes away.
It's like an Arab restaurant.
Yeah, it's like it's halal also. Just woke up, and now I'm on my way to the supermarket. It was a pretty nice morning. Yeah. Viva la España, no. It's a pretty nice morning. And the nice thing is, the supermarket is only here. Look. It's just here. And it's pretty warm also. Let's check what we're supposed to buy then. Spanish people always like alcohol. Look at all this, it's all alcohol. So let's talk more when we're at home. Yeah, we're in like, if you didn't know, we rented an apartment. And our room is upstairs, like we got second floor. And we also got a pool here. But there we go to the pool like later, maybe like in half an hour or something like that. And the time is 2:15. And think about everybody just woke up. Oh wait, that's crazy. Let's close the door. I don't want to open the door anymore. Bum, 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 bum. Viva la Spana. I got some milk. Fresh milk. Here's Maimunaas.
Good morning, guys.
Maimunaas.
But Mom, where's my Gucci?
Huh?
This is the view. The thing is, we were on the high floor, but my mom decided to change. But there's the pool, it's like over there. I see it. Barcelona.
Okay, now we in the Young G. We are going to the pool. Let's check it out. And later on we go to the what do you call it? To the beach with the family. That is the Young G, man.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Come on, say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
Okay. Like, so far it has been pretty good and nice because of I just have enjoyed it. I don't know why. Tell your hand. It's very nice. And there's Daddy over here. Check it out. Here's the pool. And here's this little bro trying to shoot and he can't even shoot, man. Mama, wait. How much? And I don't trust Kevin with this pool, I don't know why, because he can't swim, but he likes to run into the pool. Somehow. And somewhere there our apartment is. Go.
Okay, gracias. This is your last seconds.
Come on. Almost. 7. Mama.
I'm sorry, you have not enough points to play again.
Let's be sure of that. Then. Probably yung 1 year.
Vad här får sig. That's pretty bad, man.
I'm sorry, you have enough points to play again.
Jenna. Okay. The slow girl just came now. I don't understand how. You think that it's summer or something right there? Like, she thinks that it's summer or something. Quick outfit, yeah? Quick thing.
There's things to do. Hey.
Do that what that say. Hey, do that what that say.
Baba! It's kind of hot. Actually, I was like, yeah, my mom is upstairs. I mean, back in the hotel. The lighting is the word, bro. The lighting. Let me Vascos. It's not my bag if you tell so.
Mama.
He walks into every single store.
Så här. Jag har så mycket leksaker.
Adidas, wow.
You saw it, homie. Show the Spanish dance. Live near the street. This street, the whole street, and the street continues all the way over there.
It's like a tourist thing.
It's like the whole thing is a tourist area. That's where you just see white people. And there's the bridge.
That's how it's so low. Store over there.
Oh yeah, solid store over there, Barcelona. FC Barcelona store over there. You can see. Yeah. Hey. Ja, det finns aktiviteter på vattnet.
Va?
There are activities at the water.
He's afraid of sharks, so he was like, is there any sharks in the water?
And he just can't even swim. Properly. He can swim, but a little bit. Not properly. Time for the real semester, man. It's time for a real semester. And this little guy's just running around.
Like, who wears fancy slippers to the beach? I don't know.
Sorry, it's true. That must be just one there. Like, this isn't even pure sand. Only over there.
What are you talking about? What is this boy doing?
Baba.
TMT. Ayuli. AKA the Manneh Twinzz, but he's asking what is he doing, like he thought he can swim but he cannot, like if my mom saw this footage. Hoppa igen. Woo! Ready, set, go! He's faking. Oh, it's actually.
Har vi messa?
Jag håller jag riktigt dig.
Fina.
Brukt också. His outfit. On the base.
Slow. He came like 2 hours later. African time again. Yeah.
Bye-bye, Sophie.
Gang. This is my mom, yeah? Okay, my
My
man.
mom. I think this one.
This is our mom.
All fancy, you know?
And our dad is over there.
We're on this boat. Mini boat. I'm all wet, like. That's my dad. Okay, what is first? What is first? Oh, they're about to go on this slide. Okay. Oh. I'm not the one, yeah. I'm not the one.
Wait. Hah? Dua. Glenn.
Anyone, Baba? I'm really rock on any blood. Whoa.
Whoa, I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Tiafi. Burai. Mana mati? Dodan, I promise.
He's scared. Oh my.
Dos. Halo? Ikut dia. So, iya na lagi na McDonald's, lagi na fire ka.
You can see.
Ada. Kai.
Yay. Shabashan, he's crying. Do come in. Look at his teeth. Hey. Han ska åka ut i kanan, pappa ska åka ut i kanan. Jag vill inte pappa, där var det.
Wala yun.
Håll i den. Där framme. Är du djupt eller? Pappa. As you guys just saw, we just went down the slide. And Black's
Black kan också.
Lita bak. Jag vill komma med lita bak. Gang business. Whoa. I will get them down the slide tomorrow. Because I have this on. Amateurs.
Va?
Jag vänder på det.
Ayo, dem pedal len.
Fortsätt, vad händer?
Pedal len.
We are going nowhere, like.
Lagi juban buat bari. Tuan bari.
Here's my mom.
Now we are done and we are heading back to the hotel or to the house.
Oh, you're vlogging, yeah? Tema.
And this is the Barcelona tour. We don't have any countdown, like a countdown here, but here we have it. Like jaywalk, like you cross the road, and it show you and it show you how long you have to, how many seconds you have left to cross.
D&G.
He doesn't listen. I don't know why. The little one again. We are at the supermarket now, like chilling, buying some stuff.
Currently on a supermarket. In a supermarket. Hey.
Hey, listen. Rich guy.
gang.
Rich gang. Rich gang. Rich gang. Rich gang. Rich gang. Rich gang. Rich gang. Holla, it's me. My name is Dudu, and I come from Morocco.
Hey.
I like to drink sugar, cause you know that I'm sweeter than pulva. All the niggas they be talking. So when we came here to buy some meat, look what we bought. Just look. Just meat.
Only meat and chicken.
Only meat and chicken.
Hi, cute pie.
Hi, cute pie.
You have sand all over your face.
No, it's salt. Also,
Daar is sand, man. Ja, smør het in als ik tot douchen.
Currently, buying some fruits.
We already buy meat?
Fresh fruit, you know. Fresh thing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Baba. Like I'm starving. This stomach is empty. The thing is, like no one here can speak Spanish. How much is that? 5.65, I think. Gracias.
Wow.
Instead of you with my mom. Wow, what happened? Huh? You fell? Huh? No blood.
Pull up in a gang. Come orangutan.
Like the youngest always have to hold their groceries.
hold my grocery. Nee. Wist je nog daar?
You, we are here, okay? My mom is over there.
Again.
Buying stuff.
And it's currently 22 degrees.
Wat zie je ervan? Nee, ik heb het niet van
It was so irrelevant, like
22 degrees.
yeah, we know, no one asked.
Tomorrow it will be very warm.
Tomorrow.
Can you stay?
Hey, dit warm. Nee, tomorrow is gonna be. Nee, sorry. Tomorrow is gonna get very hot because it's like around 28.
That hot.
28.
Tomorrow is very hot. What are you saying, man?
This is the shop. I went to
Supermarket.
Supermarché.
Now she's yelling at me again.
Now she's calling for his name. Man, Mangini! She's asking for her phone, but she gave it to me, but she forgot.
We are going back to the house, yeah? There's mom. And there is Ajay and stuff like that. My dad and their bro. It has been a long day today. Look at this building. If you can see, it's like V's.
Very beautiful.
It's been a very long day today, but now on our way home, we just ate. It was pretty nice. We ate like burgers. It was nice. But see you at home then.
Hi guys!
Welcome back. And if
We forgot to end the vlog yesterday.
because we were so tired, but we're saying bye now. But don't forget to subscribe and like
comment,
everything down below.
subscribe.
Peace out, the TMTs, man.
And by the way, we're starting a new one, like right now. So you're getting back
Day
to back
2.
vlogs.